How to convert my Facebook profile into a page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can create a Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you upfront, you can't convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, but you can definitely create a Facebook page that is linked with your Facebook profile. So here, without further ado, I'll show you how you can do it. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to tap on see more. And now here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as pages. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on create, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And here in this section, you simply have to choose professional or personal account. So here for this video, I'll be creating a professional page. So here I'm going to simply select it and tap on next. And now here in this section, you simply have to select create a new page and tap on next. And here once you're done with it, you simply have to set the page name. So here simply set the page name, and once you're done with it, simply tap on next. And with that, you simply have to select categories for your page. Let's say I want to create this page for music and band. And here once you're done selecting the category, you can simply tap on create. And that's it. That's how you can create a page that will be linked with your Facebook profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.